Hello everyone, this is Eldon once again. This is day 3 of challenge, I'm going to call it a challenge, Inktober. 31 drawings in 31 days. And yeah, today working off the theme of yesterday of just trying to keep it simple. I'm still working with a small piece and I've already sketched it out using pencil, and then I'm just going to go in with just a regular Bic pen. So nothing fancy today. I wanted something with a finer line for this particular drawing. So these are good pens, but they're more for filling in large areas and more dramatic penmanship, which isn't what I'm trying for here. So I'm not going to ramble because I'm trying to make this more of a vlog style. So yeah, I'll just hit the overhead camera and we'll probably zoom through this, and it'll take you a lot shorter period of time to watch this than it is for me to do it. So anyways, I'm going to shut up and I'm going to get to work. See you. Oh, yeah, I'm happy with that one. This is a lot better than the first day, by far a lot better. I really like the idea of using the sketch, just starting with a pencil and sketching things out. And then, yeah, just using a regular old ballpoint pen for the detail work. Kind of, you know, create my own coloring book, as it were, and then come in with the pens for the large areas. So I'm feeling more comfortable with the medium now. I think I am going to continue on though with the pencil sketches to start with, just for basic layout. I used to do that with watercolor, and I don't do that very much anymore unless exacting detail is required, and I kind of feel that need with pens. So yeah, so I'd say this was a pretty good one.